Hello everyone. I know I haven't been the most active in the FPV community recently, but believe it or not, I've been flying quite a bit. Casually, just some backyard flying. I've kind of rediscovered like the setup building grind with the DJI FPV system. I know it has a little more latency, but I just love it. It's kind of made me rediscover FPV because it's just a new level of clarity, and even though you can't race with it at like multi-GP races, it's so nice for like backyard racing. Right now, I am flying my new build, which is a custom version of the phat frame, modified for HD. The build, as you see here, with everything except for the battery, is around 300 grams. So it's very light for HD, but it's not very light for a race rig. So it's kind of like a compromise. It's using the custom OlaFC flight controller, which I made, and the Akon 2020 double board 40 amp ESC using the very large Toshiba phat. It's a very nice ESC. I'm super happy with it. I'm testing some prototype HQs that I like for freestyle, and I've just been having a blast flying this setup around. So without further ado, I'll get flying.